because today is day number 3 of week 30. We are on lesson 20. Today, let's get started with green time. We are going to start with a game, and the game we're going to play today is one that we've played before. It's called the How Many Parts game. That means I am going to say a word, and your job is to clap to figure out how many parts is in that word. Are you ready? Get your hands out. Put on your listening ears, because you will need to hear the parts. Are you ready now? All right, the first word is cake. Say the word. Say cake. How many parts is in that word? Cake. One part. That's right, because I only clapped one time. Cake. All right, here's another word. Spaghetti. Spaghetti. Say the word. How many parts is in that word? Spaghetti. 3 parts. That's right, because my hand clapped 3 times when I said that word. Spaghetti has 3 parts in it. Wow, you are really good at this game. Let's see what's next for green time. Hello, children. This part of green time is the part where we get to help Mr. Lion say the whole word. The whole word. Sometimes Mr. Lion forgets those long vowel sounds at the end of the word, but we are going to help him remember if he forgets. Okay, Mr. Lion? So don't be afraid to try. It's okay to make a mistake. Just try again, all right? All right. Say hi to Mr. Lion, everybody. Hello, guys. I'm so happy to play a word game with you. I know, Mr. Lion, you love your word games, huh? Okay, you guys, put on your listening ears. You ready, Mr. Lion? Yes. All right. The first word is sea. Sea. Like I'm sailing on a sea. Say the word sea, Mr. Lion. You can do it. Did Mr. Lion say the whole word? Can you say the sounds with me? What sounds is in the word sea? What's the first sound you hear? What's the last sound you hear? E. 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 The word is see. See, Mr. Lion. Try again. Okay. See? Yes, Mr. Lion, you did it. All right, let's try one more word. Can you say fee? Fee? Like, you have to pay this fee to ride on my bus. Fee. Can you say the word fee? Did Mr. Lion say the whole word that time? No, Mr. Lion, try again. E. E. The word is fee. Fee? Yes, you did it. Good job, Mr. Lion. Thanks for your help at home. Let's see what's next. Good job. Hello, friends. This part of green time is our finger play part. And for this finger play today, we are going to review a finger play that we already did before. You might have remembered this finger play with Miss Indica. It's called This Little Calf. When we review things, that means we talk about things that we already learned so we can remember them and don't forget them. So, this little calf eats grass. This little calf eats grass. This little calf eats hay. This little calf eats hay. This little calf drinks water. This little calf drinks water. This little calf runs away. This little calf runs away. This little calf does nothing but just lies down all day. And this little calf does nothing but just lies down all day. And that's the end of this little calf. Hello, children. For this part of green time, we are going to review. That means go over something we've already learned before. We are going to review some vowel sounds that we learned so far. This is the letter A. Let's make the long A sound. A, and that's right. What's this one? E. Let's make the long E sound. E. Good job. What's this one? I. That's right. And that's a little I. Let me turn it to the capital I. There we go. Since we got all the other capitals, let's do a capital I too. What sound does a long I make? I. And that's right. And here's the other vowel that we learned. What is the name of this letter? O. O. Can you make an O with your hand? Cool. Now let's make a long O sound. Are you ready? O. You got it. So these letters are red because these letters are vowels. Yes, vowels are like glue. Every word and every name has one of these vowels in it. Every word that you can think of and every name has a vowel in it. That's how special vowels are. You can't make a name or a word without a vowel. All right, you guys. Now I am going to say a word. Your job is to tell me which vowel sound do you hear in the word. Are you ready? All right, here's the first word. N-O. N-O. The word is no. Which vowel do you hear? No. Oh. Oh, that's right. Let's do another word. Tea. Like I want to drink some tea with my mom. Tea. What vowel sound do you hear when we say the word tea? You can say the word too. T-E. Tea. Did you hear the E? Good listening. Here's the last word. Play. Play. Which vowel do you hear at the end of that word? Play. A. You got it. Good job, friends. Let's see what's next. The lamb and the chick. If you have this book, please get it ready. It is the part of Green Time where we are going to read our short books together. The lamb and the chick. When you get your book ready, please point to the first word to show that you are ready to read. Are you ready to read? You can press pause if you're not ready. If you are ready, let's begin. The first word is the farm. Turn the page. Start on this side first. Look at the pictures. Then move to this side. Look at the pictures. Point to the first word. Let's read. I had a lamb in the barn. Good job. Turn one page. Let's look at the picture. The picture helps us to know what is coming next. Point to the first word. Let's read. I had a chick in my hand. Turn to the last page. Read the farm. Good job, you guys. Let's see what's next.